Unlock the power of C# programming. Welcome to your journey into the world of C# programming. Discover the secrets of this powerful, versatile language. Understand the basics, the syntax, the types, the variables. In C#, every detail matters, every line of code opens new possibilities. Explore the wide range of applications that C# fosters. From creating video games in Unity to building dynamic websites with .NET, the opportunities are boundless. Learn to solve real-world problems. Harness the power of C# to develop solutions that matter, that make a difference, that propel you forward. With C#, you're not just coding. You're crafting a masterpiece. You're bringing your ideas to life, one line of code at a time. Join us on this journey. Unleash your potential with C#. It's not just a programming language. It's a new way of thinking.